Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Instagram frames, new Instagram update. So this is a very easy tutorial and all you have to do is just simply open or launch your Instagram and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now tap story and then import or add the picture from your gallery. So once you enter or add your picture or image from your gallery, what you're going to do here is to tap the sticker icon above, and then you will see here an option or a new feature on Instagram, which is frame. So what you're going to do is to tap frames here, and then here you have to simply add another picture to add to your background image. So this is a new frame here on your Instagram, and this is how you add a frame here on your Instagram. So you can add captions, you can cover the whole image if you want, but this is what it looks like. And actually, you can place this frame anywhere here. So you can also add more frames if you want. So what you're going to do is to click the sticker again, or if you want to change the frame right here, then tap the sticker and then import the new picture to use as your frame here on your Instagram story. So this is a cool thing because actually you can hide this Instagram frame right here unless the people will click this one or the viewer will click this, they will see what's inside or what's in the frame. So this is how you easily use these frames here on your Instagram. You just have to click or add a new image and then go to stickers. So as you can see, people can shake the photo to reveal it. And it's a very nice feature here on Instagram. So that's it. I really hope that you like it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.